we got an old Pride 100 alive in its natural habitat. Going through some of these old ants for a buddy of mine. Make sure they all work. Everything works on it. Got the wire upgrade. Hello. Alright, let's start out straight through SWR. So you know your relays are good, straight through SWR. Get on down, get on down. 1, 2, radios are going right through. Turn it on, PDP. Plain and simple. Hello audio, world 2, 1, 2, Pride is alive, Pride is alive, Pride is alive. Hello, 1, 2, Pride is alive, Pride is alive. There's another one. Another one bites the dust. Pride is alive, get on down. There she is, man. Pride 100 up and going. Thanks for watching. Your friend 10 0 Babies. Catch you later. Bye bye.